Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you that you can get a VPN free on your Edge browser. Now, I don't know if you know, but Microsoft Edge is pretty blowing up right now with just a lot of different AI features and different things that's going on right now. But as of right now, if you go to your Edge browser right here, okay, you go up to your gear settings, you go to settings, right? It's going to open up a screen here. You're going to type in on the top left VPN. When you type in VPN, make sure that scareware blocker is on. You know what I'm saying? If you really want that, this is allows Microsoft to use AI to detect potential tech scams. Make sure that's on there. Mine wasn't on for some reason. It's on a VPN. It's on a preview program right now. But make sure you also have your security on the web, so you can have balance here with add security measurements for different sites and block security threats. Strict is kind of crazy, so you don't kind of have to do that. But for the newest feature here, the VPN on Microsoft Edge is called Microsoft Edge Secure Network. So basically, it has a free VPN. You know, normally you can go out and buy a VPN that protects the whole computer. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not too sure yet, but this VPN is only going to work for the browser. It's not going to work outside of your computer, but usually VPN works outside of the computer, but this is just going to work through the browser. So it should help you a bit more on your traffic here. But I think it should be on everything. I think so. But leave a comment, for those who know a little bit more than me, definitely leave a comment, just talking about it, if you know. But I think it should just be browser only, but it may just be the whole thing. I mean, virtual private network, it usually reroutes your connection. So it may be the whole thing. But either way, just to make sure, I'll make another video on an update, maybe a short, talking about this. But yeah, so make sure you have this checked on, have it on optimize, so the VPN can automatically turn on to protect your traffic or your Wi-Fi. They give you 5 GB of network connection free per month, so that's pretty dope. So make sure once you select that here, your browser essential on the right side is going to go on. Make sure you save battery with efficient mode, and then make sure you get VPN for free. And now look, you have the VPN for free. And now when you go on certain websites, it will have the VPN for this site. So let's say for instance you're on YouTube, right? Okay, you want a VPN for YouTube only for this site only. It looks like you could change the settings through the VPN settings on the browser. But let's say you want to use it for YouTube. So now we're going to use it only for this site. So if you go to settings, you're able to change that, manage secure network settings. So now I'm only going to have a VPN for YouTube, or if you only want to have it for Twitch, you'll put it there, and then it looks like you can do a never use. So if you don't want to use VPNs for certain sites, that won't allow you to progress without it. So but yeah, all in all, this is an amazing feature. Microsoft has added again with amazing browser edge, having a free VPN. If there's more advice or anything that you know of other free VPNs or other, better VPNs, just let me know. All right, let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.